Good morning, students. So, last class, first lesson, knowing numbers. So, today we are going to second lesson, that is whole numbers. Whole numbers. What is a whole number? Simple. Whole numbers. We know natural numbers. Natural numbers. So natural numbers means we are counting things around us, like 2 fans, 1 tree, 5 inches, 10 classes. So we are counted around things. So we are using numbers. So that number, that is called natural numbers. So these natural numbers we are also called counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Infinity. So that is called natural numbers. This set we are called natural numbers and whole numbers. 0 and the set of natural numbers we are called whole numbers. Whole numbers. So 0 and the set of natural numbers. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, infinity. So this set we are called natural numbers, so whole numbers. So here both one difference 0. Whole numbers has 0, natural numbers without 0. So remaining as it is same. So natural numbers is another name, counting numbers. So we know natural whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These set we are called natural whole numbers. So whole numbers indicated by the whole numbers indicated by the capital Y. Here whole numbers starting which letter W. So whole numbers indicated by the capital letter W. So next here, so we know successor or predecessor. Predecessor or before number. Successor or after number. After number and before numbers. Now find out pre means always before. So pre-public, pre-day, pre-primary. So primary, pre-primary, pre-public, public exam before pre-public. So primary before pre-primary. So as is here, pre means before. So predecessor or before numbers. Now 5 predecessor which number? 4. Like a 5 before number 4. So here 5 predecessor is 4. 5 successor is 5 after number which number? 6. So predecessor means before number, Predecessor means after number. So you simply predecessor before numbers and successor after numbers. These one you are keep in your mind. Next one. See, now addition on the number line, subtraction on the number line, multiplication on the number line, divisions on the number line. So this is a line. Yes, that is a line. On that line, so we are identifying some numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these numbers on identify on the line. So this is called number line. Number line. So this is called number line. Why this is the line? On this line we are identify the numbers. So this is called number line. Next one. Now addition on the number line. Addition on the number line. We know normal additions. So normal additions, 5 plus 3, how much? 8. 15 plus 7, 22. So these sum, how to we solve on the number line. So you first you draw the number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Enough. So here on the number line, first digit which number? 5. Where is the you are identify on the number line? Here 5. So let's see. Here plus symbol given on the number line. We are always forward the right side. Minus symbol given. We always moving to the left side. So plus symbol moving on the number line. On the number line, right side, minus sign, moving on the number line, left side. So now these 2 points very important on the number line. So plus sign moving on the number line. Here plus sign moving, we are moving right side. Minus sign given, we are moving the left side. So here 5. Where is the 5? Here identify the 5. plus symbol given. So 5 right side, which side? This is the right side or this is the left side? We are identified. We know this is the right side. So how many numbers we are moving? 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. So how much we are get 8. So 5 plus 3, how much? 8. So here arrow is a very important. Why? Arrow shows which side we are moving. So here there is no arrow. Now you are moving 8 to 5 or 5 to 8. How? We don't know. So you are keeping here arrow. Arrow shows you are moving right side. Next one, 15 plus 7. This is 15. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Actually here you write direct 10 to start here 0 place you are keep a 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 our wish. So number line you take negative numbers or starting with a 0 or positive numbers our wish. So here 15 plus 7, where is the 15? You are identify the 15 on the number line here 15. So plus sign given. Plus sign we are moving on the number line right side or left side. So I said plus sign given we are moving right side on the number line. So right side. How many numbers? 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So where stop on the which number? 22. So 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. Right. Next one 13 plus 8. Here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So you are asking, sir, here why you start with 10? So here this is arrow. So what this one? Line. Line means we are extended. Endless. So we are extended. So 9 before 10 before 9, 9 before 8, 8 before 7. So asterisk here before numbers. So you are understand? You are clear that? So these arrows extend endless. So that's why I write on the 10. So here you write 9, you write 8, 7, your wish. So here 13 given. 13 identify on the number line. Here 13 plus sign given. So we are moving a right side or left side. So right side. How many numbers? 8 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So arrow is a very important. Now we are moving 15 to 21. right side, here plus symbol given, right, this is addition on the number line, copy. Next one, subtraction on the number line. Subtraction on the number line. So subtraction sign, minus sign, moving, left side on the number line. So here minus sign given, moving left side on the number line. So 6 minus 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So first digit which number? My 6. So where is the 6? You are identify on the number line. Next, here minus side. So we are moving left side or right side? Left side we are moving or right side we are moving? So we are moving left side on the number line. So how many numbers? 1, 2. So how much value? 6 minus 2, 4. Minus 3 and minus 9. This is the whole numbers. These are integers. So 8 minus 10. 8 minus 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here 8. Where is the 8? Identify on the number line. Minus sign here given. So minus sign we are moving left to or right side. Minus sign moving left side on the number line. Left side on the number line. So left side, how many numbers we are moving? 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Next one, 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here first number 13. 13 identify on the number line. Here minus sign given. So we are moving left side on the number line. Left side we are identify the number. So based on that number, minus sign given left side, plus sign given right side. So here given minus sign. How many numbers? 7 numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How much value? 6. So 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. So that is a subtraction on the number line. Next, multiplication on the number line. Multiplication on the number line. So here 4 cross out 2. This is a 2. 2 number 4 times we are added. Multiplication means repeating addition. So 2 4 times added. How much? 8. So these one we are showing on the number line. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So here multiplication always we are counted starting with a 0. Why here 2? So 1 plus 1 2. So again 2 numbers. So here starting with a 0. So 2 number, how many times we are added? 4 times. 1 2. Now 1 time we are added. Next one. 1 2. 2 times we are added. 1 2. 3 times we are added. 1 2. 4 times we are added. Here 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. How much? Finally 8. So 4 2s are 8. Next one. 6 4s are how much? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. So here 4 number, how many times we are added? 6 times. So multiplication meaning repeating subtraction, addition, repeated addition. So here 4 6 times added. Now 1 2 3 4. 1 time. 1 2 3 4. 2 times. 1 2 3 4. 3 times. 1 2 3 4. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 times. So 6 cross out 4. How much their total? 6 fours are 24. There here stop 24. On the 24 number they stop. So 6 cross out 4 value how much? 24. Next one 8 cross out 2. Sorry, 2 cross out 8. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 2 cross out 8. 8 2 times we are added. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0 to 8. Next one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how much 2 times we are adding? 16. 2 8 ja 16. Copy this one. So next lesson 1, sorry lesson 2, we are going to exercise 1. So how many whole numbers are there in between 27 and 46? So how many whole numbers? Whole numbers between 27 and 46. So here 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So here 27 and 20, 46 between means these are between whole numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So total how many? 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18 whole numbers. So 27 and 46 between whole numbers. Whole numbers 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 is equal to 18 numbers. Next, find the following using using number line. Second one. So here 6 plus 7 plus 7. So first you draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So here 6. Where is the 6? Identify on the number line. Here. So plus sign means we are moving on the number line right side. How many numbers? So 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers we are moving on the number line. Next here given again plus symbol. So we are moving right side on the number line. How many numbers we are moving? 7 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how much total? 20. Next one. 18 minus 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here 18 number on the number line you are identifying 18. Next one minus sign. Minus sign means we are subtract symbol. So we are moving left side on the number line. So from the 18 we are moving left side on the number line. How many numbers here given? 9 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 numbers we are moving. So how much here? 9. Next one 5 cross out 3. Multiplication on the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here 5 cross out 3. 3 5 times you are added. So 3 how many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3. 1 time we are adding. Next 1, 2, 3. 2 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 4 times. 1, 2, 3. 5 times. So how much total? 15. Copy this one. Next one. In each pair, state which whole number on the number line is on the right side of the other number. So, third one. Third one, first problem. So given pair of numbers, what are they? 239, 895. So here given these two numbers, they are asking 895, 230. They are asking which number right side of the other number. So here first you draw the number line 0. So 100, 200, 239, 400, 600, 800, 895, 900. Here between like a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that like we are continue 0 to 100, 100 to 20, 20 to 200 to 239, 239 to 400, 600, 800, 895, 900. They are asking. So which number? These pairs. Right side which number? Left side which number? So 239 right side 895 on 895 left side 239. So 239 right side 895. That is they are asking. Next one 1001, 10,001. So given pair of numbers, given pair of numbers 1001, 10,010. Here on the number line 0, 100, 500, 1000, 1001, 6000, 8000, 9000, 10,000, 10,001. This is. So on the here which number right side of the other number? So here see 1001 right side 10,001. So 1001 right side 10,001. Next one 15,678. 15,678, 4,013. Given pair of numbers 15,678, 4,030. So on the number line 0, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 4,013, 6,000, 8,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 15,000, 15,000, 678. So now here 4013 right side 15,678. 4013 right side 15,678. Make the smallest whole number on the number line. Sorry, mark the smallest number line, smallest whole number on the number line. So very easy. Fourth one. First one, number line you draw 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13 and infinity. So where is the smallest number line? Whole numbers. So 0. Smallest whole number is 0. So we have exercise second lesson. First exercise we have finished. And next we are going to exercise 2.2. So if you have any doubt, one time you are listen, again 2 or 3 times you are listen. I hope on every student you have no doubt. So in case you have doubt, so send me in our group one text message. After we will clarify your doubt. Shall leave the class. Take care. Good morning students. In last class 2.1 addition on the number line, subtraction on the number line, multiplication on the number line, how to we are add, how to we are subtract and multiplication. We learn some problems on the topics. So now today we are going to properties. So these properties are very important. So actually now we are discussing topic whole numbers. So on the whole numbers, what is the closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property. So these 4 properties we will check. So whole numbers, which property satisfy, which property not satisfy. So now properties. Property, just properties. So whole number. You know what is a whole number? 0 and natural number set, that is called whole number. So now here closure property. First one, closure property, you write just definitions. What is a closure property? So A comma B are 2 whole numbers. Two whole numbers. So A plus B, their sum also whole numbers. A minus B, their sum also whole numbers, a cross out b, their product also whole numbers, a divided by b, their quotient also whole numbers. So that is a closure property. Next one, commutative property. Commutative property. A comma b are two whole numbers. So a plus b is equal to b plus a. That is a commutative property. So equal to this side we are expressions we are called LHS, left hand side. This one right hand side. Next one, associative property. Associative property. A comma b comma c are three whole numbers. A comma b comma c are three whole numbers. Now a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Next one, distributive property. A comma b comma c are three whole numbers. So a cross out b plus c is equal to a cross out b plus a cross out c. So now let's check a table. Closure property. Sorry, whole numbers. Property, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now here closure. Closure property. What is the closure property? Now addition. A comma b are two whole numbers. Whole numbers. Now a like a addition, so plus a plus b is equal to whole number. So 3 is a whole number, 0 is a whole number, 3 plus 0, 3 is a whole number. So addition rule satisfied. Next one, subtraction rule. A comma b are two whole numbers. So here subtraction, a minus b is equal to whole number. So a 5, b 8. 5 is a whole number, 8 is a whole number. 5 minus 8, how much? Minus 3. Minus 3 is a whole number. So this is a not satisfied. So like a 8 minus 5, 3 3. In this case, satisfy. But rule satisfy means any numbers, any order you take, so their condition satisfy in that time. In this case only satisfy. Now see here, you any numbers take 0 plus 3 or 3 plus 0, 5 plus 8, any numbers, your wish. So next one, A comma B are two whole numbers. So here multiplication, A cross out to B, also whole number. So now 8 cross out to 1, 8 is a whole number, 1 is a whole number. Their product also whole number. So closure property, multiplication rule satisfy. Next one, division rule. A comma B are two whole numbers. So A divided by B also whole number. So 3 divided by 5, 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 is a whole number? No, that is a fraction. So this is not satisfied. So that like you next one, commutative property. Commutative property. A comma B are two whole numbers. A plus B, B plus A, 3 plus 5, 5 plus 3. So 8 equal to 80. So commutative property, addition rule satisfied. Next one, A comma B are two whole numbers. A plus B, B plus, sorry here minus, A minus B, B minus A. So now you check, 3 minus 5, 5 minus 3, minus 2 plus 2. These both are equal, not equal. So closure property, commutative property, subtraction rule not satisfied. Next one, A comma B are two whole numbers. Whole numbers. So A cross out to B equal to B cross out to A. 3 cross out to 5 equal to 5 cross out to 3. 15 equal to 15. So commutative property, multiplication rule satisfied. Next one, A comma B are two whole numbers. Whole numbers. A divided by B equal to B divided by A. 3 by 5 equal to 5 by 3. So 3 by 5 equal to 5 by 3. So not equal. Commutative property, division rule not satisfied. Right. So as it is next one, associative property, distributive property, check on the additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions. So these one as is dislike only. A comma B comma C are three whole numbers. Here plus. So addition plus, subtraction minus, multiplication cross out, division divided. check are equal or not equal. Here this is important. So this is a plus. Here you keep minus, subtraction. Here you keep cross out, multiplication. Here you keep division, divided by division. So next one, associative property. Associative property. A comma B comma C are three whole numbers. Three whole numbers. So A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So A value 3, B value 5, C value 6. So total 14. Here 3 plus 5 plus 6, 14. Both are equal. So associative property addition rule satisfied. Next one, subtraction. A comma B comma C are three integers. Integers not, whole numbers. Whole numbers. So A minus B minus C is equal to A minus B minus C. Now A value 3, B value 5, C value 3. So 3 minus 5 minus 3. So 3 minus 5 minus 2 minus 3. 3 minus 2. So minus 5 1. Associative property subtraction rule not satisfied. So here you write this is A, B, C are three integers, three whole numbers. So A cross out B cross out C, A cross out B cross out C. So 3 cross out 5 cross out 2, 3 cross out 5 cross out 2. So 3 cross out 10, 15 cross out 2, 30, 30. So closure property multiplication rule satisfied. Next one, division. Subtraction not satisfied. Also division also not satisfied. Next one, distributive property. A comma B comma C are three integers, three whole numbers. So A cross out B plus C is equal to A cross out B plus A cross out C. So 3 cross out 5 plus 2. 3 cross out 5 plus 3 cross out 2. So 3 cross out 10. 3 cross out 5 plus 3 cross out 2. Here. Yes, 7, sorry. So 3 7 are 21, 3 2 are 6. So distributive property addition rule satisfied. A comma B comma C are three integers, three whole numbers. So A cross out B minus C. Why? This is a subtraction rule. cross out 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 cross out 5 minus 3 cross out 2. 3 cross out 3. 3 5s are 15 minus 6. So 9 minus 9. So distributive property subtraction rule satisfied. Next one. A, B, C are 3 integers, 3 whole numbers. What happened? 3 whole numbers. A cross out B cross out C, A cross out B cross out A cross out C, 3 cross out 5 cross out 2, 3 cross out 5 cross out 3 cross out 2. So 3 cross out 5 2s are 10 is equal to 3 5s are 15 cross out 6. 30 equal to 90. So distributive property multiplication not satisfied. That is right. Division your own, you write. There no space. Next one we are going to exercise 2.2. So find the sum of suitable arrangement. So exercise 2, first one, find the sum of the suitable rearrangement. 238 plus 695 plus 162. So these are you are arrange the like a ones place, tens place, 100 place. 238, 695, 162. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 2, 15. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So 1095. Second one. 154 plus 197 plus 46 plus 203. So 154 ones, tens, 100. 154, 197, 46, 203. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 2, 16.